Welcome to this guide on choosing between PowerShell ISE and Visual Studio Code for your PowerShell development. When you start writing PowerShell scripts, one of the first decisions you'll face is which editor to use. Both PowerShell ISE and Visual Studio Code are popular choices, but they serve different needs and have distinct advantages. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision that fits your workflow and requirements. PowerShell ISE stands for Integrated Scripting Environment. It's a built-in editor that comes pre-installed with Windows, which means you don't need to download or install anything extra to start using it. Microsoft designed ISE specifically for PowerShell scripting, making it purpose-built for this language. The moment you install PowerShell on a Windows system, ISE is ready to use immediately. It combines a script editor with an integrated console, allowing you to write and test your PowerShell code in one unified interface. PowerShell ISE comes with several essential features that make scripting easier. First, it includes a script editor with syntax highlighting and IntelliSense, which helps you write code faster by suggesting commands and parameters as you type. Second, it has a built-in debugger that lets you set breakpoints and step through your code to find and fix errors. Third, the command pane allows you to browse available PowerShell commands and insert them directly into your scripts. Finally, the console integration means you can run your scripts immediately and see the results in the same window, making testing quick and convenient. Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is a free and open-source code editor developed by Microsoft. Unlike PowerShell ISE, VS Code is not limited to just PowerShell. It supports multiple programming languages, making it a versatile tool if you work with different technologies. VS Code is extensible, meaning you can add thousands of extensions to customize it for your specific needs. Despite being feature-rich, it remains lightweight and fast, providing a powerful development experience without consuming excessive system resources. To use Visual Studio Code for PowerShell development, you need to install the official PowerShell extension from the VS Code marketplace. This extension adds full PowerShell support, including syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and debugging capabilities. One of VS Code's strongest features is customization. You can change themes to match your preferences, adjust layouts to optimize your workspace, and configure key bindings to work the way you prefer. Additionally, VS Code has built-in Git integration, making version control seamless if you're managing your scripts in a repository. The advanced features rival or exceed what ISE offers, making it a professional-grade tool. Let's compare the key differences between these two editors. PowerShell ISE is Windows-only, meaning it only runs on Windows operating systems. In contrast, VS Code is cross-platform and works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. ISE is PowerShell-specific, built solely for PowerShell scripting, while VS Code is a multi-language editor that supports numerous programming languages. ISE has a simpler interface that's easier for beginners to learn, whereas VS Code is highly customizable with countless options and settings. Finally, ISE requires no setup since it's already installed on Windows, but VS Code requires you to download the application and install the PowerShell extension to get started. PowerShell ISE is ideal for certain scenarios. If you're doing quick scripting tasks on Windows systems and need something immediately available, ISE is perfect. For beginners learning PowerShell basics, ISE's simpler interface makes it less overwhelming and easier to focus on learning the language itself. When you need immediate access without downloading or installing additional software, ISE is your go-to option. It's also valuable in restricted environments where you have limited ability to install third-party software, but still need to write PowerShell scripts. Visual Studio Code shines in different situations. For professional development and large projects, VS Code's advanced features and extensibility make it the better choice. If you're doing cross-platform scripting across Windows, Linux, and Mac systems, VS Code's availability on all these platforms is essential. When working with Git and version control workflows, VS Code's built-in Git integration streamlines your development process significantly. Finally, if you need extensive customization and want access to a rich extension ecosystem to tailor your editor to your exact preferences, VS Code is the clear winner. Both editors have their place, and your choice depends on your specific needs and working environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.